here it is. Here's the closer look. There's humans there. And I believe that's a toddler. That's the entire thing. Oh! There's a narration. There's a narration. It says here that it's printed in Germany. And it's originally sold for 13.95 euros. I'm not sure. 2015 maybe. I'm not sure how much it's worth now. But here it is. It has a bit of it has a bit of narration. See, that's the thing that I can cut. I can cut the old calendar part. Can use it to wrap fish or something, but that's usually what we do with paper. We cannot use it's a running joke in the Philippines. It's like, oh, that's for wrapping fish, dried fish. Look at this thing. I have known the existence of Salvador Dali. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've known his existence for a long time, but I haven't seen every painting that he ever made. And recently I just learned that about his museum in Spain, and that's now I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there. Apparently he also made some, is it called installations? I forgot the name. He also made some installations, and I never knew about the installations. I just know about the paintings. And I think that's gonna be very like intriguing to me, like experiencing this art form in like a place where I can actually touch or walk or something. I hope it's allowed to touch. And as you know, I can see better with my hands when I touch something. Yeah, look at this. Closer. Baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. Look how toned the legs. See, I'm doing squats now, by the way, because I want nicer. So maybe next time I'll do some. I'll also incorporate workout to achieve this kind of legs. Baby, pull me closer. There's 12 paintings. I just realized that every month has an individual painting. Look. Like, I will do this. I will look at it first, and then I'll show you. What the fuck? I just say fa. They will not take this down. We're safe. I just say, what the fa? That's do re mi fa sol la ti fa, do re mi fa sol la ti do. We're gonna make this cross the street. Look how look at the mind of this person. Another thing I like about art and witnessing different types of paintings, if you may, is that I kind of get this shoulder rub that, oh, it's okay, you're not insane. Yeah, that's another thing why I like looking at the paintings. I kind of get this feeling on my shoulder that someone or the cosmos is trying to do this on my shoulder and say that, oh, don't worry, you're not insane. It's just sometimes the mind works differently and it shows images, but don't worry, you're not insane. You're not insane. Look at the paintings of Dali. That's not insanity. That's art. We're just on April. We're just on April. There's more. What is happening here? I'm getting goosebumps on my legs just by looking at this. I don't know what I'm staring at. I can see the Virgin Mary in some corners, but I don't know what I'm staring at, to be honest. Oh, now you can see. My hands are shaking again. These are the type of paintings that you read. My goosebumps, it started from here down to my these are the type of paintings that that will make you do this. This is the reaction. Like, I could stare at this the entire day, and my mind will come up with so many different interpretations based on how I feel. Like, there's so many things to see. There's so many things to see in these four corners of a frame. Look. Like, that looks like a birth canal. See, this looks like a birth canal again. Why because there is a human there. Like this, I wouldn't have thought of the birth canal if there's not a human in the middle. But I should stop saying my own interpretations, because I kind of pollute what you're gonna think of. Or maybe the way. What the fuck is? I should edit this. Like put the dolphin sound on the every time I say that word. I should put that sort of sound. Hey, this. Look, this is what I'm talking about. That's a human being. You don't know if he's being sucked or if he's being spit out. Oh, this is the one that was on the cover. Look, this video is 20 minutes already. I should cut it somewhere. Maybe I could cut it now. My goosebumps, really. This color combination. Closer look. It looks so realistic. Ay, my getting goosebumps with everything. Yeah, we're on October, so there's 2. I wonder how big these paintings are in real life. A good thing there's Google. You could always Google things. The colors look so washed out on the last. I didn't see his most famous one in here. Yeah, it's not here. The most famous ones that I know are not here. All of the things, I haven't seen them before. I wonder how long this took for him to do. Because these are so intricate, the shading. It's so fine. And of course, with details like this, you need a very fine sort of... I wonder if I have... Maybe I don't even have that kind of brush. Maybe something like this. And imagine if this image is very big and you paint it with something like this. Like how long will that take? This one I'm definitely gonna think about this after I closed it. This is the last one. And just by looking at it, the longer you look at it, the more ideas you get.